In this video, I am going to show you how to disable voice calls on Telegram. Disabling them can provide you with an added layer of privacy and minimize interruptions, especially if you're using the app primarily for messaging. Here's a straightforward guide on how to turn off voice calls in Telegram. 1. Launch the Telegram app on your device. Ensure you're logged in to your account. 2. Look for the three horizontal lines, usually located at the top left corner of the screen. Tap on it to reveal additional options. 3. Scroll down to the sidebar appears until to find the Settings option. In the Settings menu, find and select Privacy and Security. Within the Privacy and Security section, locate and tap on the Calls option. This will take you to the Call Settings page. Next, look for the Who Can Call Me setting. By default, it might be set to Everybody or My Contacts. Change the settings to Nobody to disable the incoming calls entirely. Ensure your changes are saved depending on your version of Telegram. The changes might save automatically, or you might need to tap a confirmation page. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.